Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption offline. First, it's crucial to ensure your game is completely installed and updated. Launch the game at least one time while connected to the internet to complete any initial setup and verification. This step is vital for a smooth offline experience. Also, double-check that your gaming platform's offline mode settings are correctly configured before disconnecting. This preparation will save you a lot of trouble later on. Next, let's prepare your specific gaming platform. If you're on a personal computer, make sure to enable offline mode directly within the Rockstar Games launcher or Steam client. For console players, simply disconnect from the internet through your system's network settings. It's also a good idea to confirm that your console's primary account is designated for offline play. These steps ensure your system is ready to run the game without an active internet connection. Once your platform is set, launching the game offline is straightforward. Simply start Red Dead Redemption 2 directly from its desktop shortcut or your console's game library. The game should seamlessly bypass any online checks, allowing you to dive straight into the action. You can then fully immerse yourself in the rich single-player story mode, exploring the vast open world and completing missions, all without needing an internet connection. Enjoy the Wild West at your own pace. Finally, here are some key tips for an optimal offline experience. Remember that game updates and any online features, like Red Dead Online, will be unavailable. Always save your progress regularly, as cloud saves won't synchronize while you're offline. It's also wise to reconnect to the internet periodically, perhaps once every few weeks, to receive important game updates and re-verify your game ownership. This ensures your game remains current and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.